I'm David McDonnell from New Orleans, Louisiana in the States. Well, I didn't really know what to expect. I know that my wife had been doing some Silva work, but didn't really understand what it was really training me for. So when I got into the session and understood that it was for intuition training and understanding how to project and really look into the future, that was interesting, but I didn't know how it was going to work. And so we're now on the second day. We had the first day, and that we had some really good results. And between myself and my partner, really kind of surprised me a little bit because I haven't had much, or I haven't really trusted much of my intuition, I guess, in the past, or recognized it. Going through the day of training here at the Silva, the Ultramind session, at the end of the day, going through some work with partner, it's pretty real, and it really kind of freaked me out a little bit how accurate things were, because I had a lot of hits on two different objects with my partner yesterday, so it was really interesting. Vision doing the coaching and in the slides and really the instruction, and then Christina doing the actual exercises and practices and meditations. It's working really well. They're doing a really good job with it.